Now we'll discuss about the anastomosis around scapula. First of all, we will discuss about the anastomosis. What is anastomosis? The term anastomosis derived from Greek word. It derived from Greek word ana and stoma. Ana means towards. Stoma means mouth. Towards mouth. That means joining of structure mouth to mouth. This is anastomosis. And importance of this anastomosis is it provides adequate arterial supply to the structure which are highly mobile, and also it provides alternating pathway for blood vessels, blood flow. If main artery is blocked, so it provides alternating channels or collateral channels. So this is about the term anastomosis. Now we'll discuss about the anastomosis around scapula. In scapula, there is two regions where anastomosis takes place. One is around the body of the scapula, and another is around the acromion process. So first of all, we will discuss about anastomosis around body of scapula. So anastomosis around body of scapula. First of all, we make a diagram. This is cut. This is outer border of the first rib. Here is scapula. Here is greater tubercle, this is lesser tubercle, this is the head of the humerus, this is scapula. Here is acromion process, coracoid process, and here is acromion process, which is situated on dorsal surface. This is bicipital groove. Here is inner lip of bicipital groove, and from lower part of lateral border of scapula, the muscle is attached. This muscle is teres major. This muscle is teres major. And here is from here to here, this is subclavian artery, and from outer border of first rib to lower border of teres major, this is axillary artery, and this axillary artery is divided into three parts. By pectoralis minor muscle. So this part is first part, deep to this is second part, this is third part. So this is proximal to pectoralis minor. This part is deep to pectoralis minor, and this is distal to pectoralis minor. And first part gives one branch, second part gives two branch, and third part is 3 branches. First part gives 1 branch, that is superior thoracic. Second part gives 2 branches, that is acromiothoracic, and this is lateral thoracic. Acromiothoracic give 4 branches, and here is subscapular artery. Third part gives subscapular artery, anterior circumflex humeral and posterior circumflex humeral artery. Posterior circumflex humeral artery gives a branch which goes upward, that is acromial branch. So from here to here, this is axillary artery and this is subclavian artery. Axillary artery is divided into 3 parts by pectoralis minor, and subclavian artery is divided into 3 parts by scalenus anterior muscle. Scalenus anterior muscle divides this artery into 3 parts. This is first part, deep to this second part, and distal to this third part. So first part, second part, third part. First part gives a branch known as thyrocervical trunk. This is thyrocervical trunk. This thyrocervical trunk gives 3 branches. This is inferior thyroid, this is transverse cervical, and here is suprascapular. This is suprascapular. So thyrocervical trunk gives 3 branches: inferior thyroid artery, transverse cervical, and suprascapular artery. This suprascapular artery, it gives a deep branch which runs along the medial border of the scapula. This is deep branch of transverse cervical artery. This is deep branch of transverse cervical artery. This is deep branch of transverse. And this suprascapular artery passes here, and here is suprascapular notch, and this notch is bridged by suprascapular ligament, and this artery passes above the suprascapular ligament. From here it goes into supraspinatus fossa on the dorsal aspect. From supraspinatus fossa it goes into infraspinatus fossa. It gives numerous branches. Here is a deep branch of transverse cervical. It gives numerous branches on the anterior aspect as well as on posterior aspect of the scapula. This is the anterior aspect. The posterior aspect I am showing in form of dot dot. And another artery. Here is subscapular artery. This subscapular artery gives circumflex scapular branch. This circumflex scapular, it gives branch towards the dorsal aspect, towards the ventral aspect. Here is, it gives branch towards ventral aspect, and it also gives branch toward into the dorsal aspect. So here is anastomosis between these artery and these artery. This is anastomosis. On subscapular fossa, and same way on the dorsal side, these artery, these 2 artery, these 3 artery, this and this, anastomose with each other. The branches of these 3 artery anastomose with each other and give supply on the anterior aspect and on the posterior aspect of scapula. So this is anastomosis around the body of the scapula. Actually, this anastomosis is between. This is first part of the subclavian artery, and this is third part of axillary artery. This anastomotic channel from here to here, blood reaches here and goes here. From here to here, it reaches here and goes here. So if this part from here to here, this part is blocked, then this channel provides alternative pathway through which blood circulation completed. So this is the anastomosis around the body of the scapula. And the anastomosis around acromial process. This is acromial process. Here is posterior circumflex humeral artery. It gives a acromial branch. Here is suprascapular artery. It gives acromial branch. And here is acromiothoracic artery. It gives acromial branch. And all three branches anastomose with each other and form the anastomosis around the acromial process. And this anastomosis is between first part of subclavian artery, between first part and second part and third part. Posterior circumflex is a branch of third part. Acromiothoracic is a branch of second part. And here suprascapular, this acromial branch of suprascapular, it arises from the first part of subclavian artery. So if this obstruct here, it provides alternative channel. So this is anastomosis around the body of the scapula, around the acromial process of the scapula. Thank you.